Okay, out of all the places, guess what? Somebody's stalking someone here. We just don't know who.
It's wrong. It's you.
All right, this is the walk to Western Brook Pond. We saw two moose in the beginning. Oh, because I was like, is it hoofs running? Wow, that's. Literally, as we got started, he saw somebody on horseback and turns around and looks, and there's a moose, a mother and a calf.
Actually better than a boardwalk.
Yeah.
We're taking our time. We short people with our short legs, right?
Yes, I agree.
And Mark and Marty are out there. They've forgotten we're here.
I'm glad because Marty always runs ahead. Now I have something.
Oh, so he's like, let me check this out first, yeah. You still alive up there, dear?
Pretty good.
Looks like lightning got
Something
it.
more Asian. That's a bad word.
There they are, way up there.
It's neat how all the trees are shrunk
right
because of the wind.
Yeah. I bet the winds get fierce up here.
Yeah. She said.
Amazing. We can't see it.
Well, we got an hour.
I was like, come on. Lift, fog, lift. All right.
And the sun
We
is
have
coming
made
out.
it. I'm imagining blue skies and no fog. Because in front of us, although you can't tell, are amazing rock formation mountains, etc. How weird. It looks like we're just at nothing. All right, they're not taking our money yet. We've made it to Western Brook Pond, which is a lake. We've made it here. We're not taking our money yet because it doesn't look promising. Because, as you, yeah, I'm just filming. I wanted to film the fog before it lifts because we know it's going to lift, yeah? So here, if you could see, would be amazingly incredible views. Can you take your coat, please, and my coat, so I can take some pictures? Here, come over here. Let's get our pictures here. Over here. So here we are, Western Brook Pond. We made it. How long did it take us to walk? Because we took our time and we took pictures and we saw 2 moves.
35 minutes,
So
40 maybe.
There's lift, fog, lift, lift, fog, lift. It's not looking good right now. If it stays like this, we are not going on our wonderful fjords tour out to the most incredible scenery there is. But we can keep our fingers crossed.
How did they get rid of the salt?
It was fresh water put in.
Ah,
It's fed fresh water, so eventually it takes about 15 years for the water in here to recycle itself.
Oh, okay.
Really? Interesting.
What type of water is it in?
Dear.
Nope, because of you. Ultra oligotrophic.
Ultra oligotrophic. All right, we got that on tape, so we can know. Better than a trophic.
Well, we have lakes that are metromictic. The bottom and top don't mix. Waters don't mix. Well, in the bottom, it's orange. People scuba. It's really deep. People scuba dive in the bottom. It's like orange, and it's I think it's toxic. Yeah, it's called metromictic. They're called green lakes. They're by Syracuse.
So this is what
Yeah.
we're waiting.
Metromictic.
Metrometric.
Yeah. The
And
bottom
this
and top
is-
waters don't mix.
So if we could see, we would be able to realize that there are amazing rock formations in front of us. So until that time, I guess we'll just go inside and sit. Because it's not looking good now. Our 10 o'clock one got canceled. Because as you can see, basically it would just be a boat ride into nothingness. So we're going to chill out here and wait for the fog to lift. And that's what we're waiting to do, is to go on that boat. I guess. All right, so we've been waiting and waiting for the fog to lift. We can now see shoreline over there, but we certainly cannot see the mountains that make up the fjord. This is actually a freshwater pond, and one of the guides here said it's some of the freshest water on earth, period. So, looks like it's going to be a bust, and we're not going to get to go on the boat tour. But we did see 2 moose. We saw a mother and a juvenile. Not a little tiny baby, but it was a juvenile. And that was in the fog, and we got a nice walk, and it's okay. If we don't get to see it this time, we'll see it next time. There's the boats we would have taken. There's the little restaurant, gift shop. There's Mark at the window. There's some bathrooms, which are a welcome relief. Oh, 2 moose.
I did. I got
All
some
right.
good film of it.
So, unfortunately, we have given up the ghost and we are not going to be able to go on the boat tour. We don't want to wait another 2 or 3 or 4 hours. So we are leaving Western Brook Pond without going to see the fjord because of the fog. The fog is still out there too. So it might be a no-go even for the entire day. Oh well, on we go.
On we go.
Now we get to trek back 3 kilometers. Oh, did you want to bring water? Do you need water?
But we're going to go to something called what?
Arches. We're going to go to Arches because our good friends Marty and Roy that we have run into on this island, on this rock, in amazing places. Like, we got here very early. We're the first ones there. And we were actually waiting for somebody to come in because we were kind of worried that there might be bear. So we really didn't want to trek by ourselves. And all of a sudden one car came in. I was like, well, there you go. And we realized it's Marty and Roy. And they broke off from us well on the other eastern coast of Newfoundland and went up to Twillingate and got to see a 5-story iceberg. Instead, we went to Bonavista and we did the sea caves and the whales. So it's amazing that we caught up on the exact same day on the exact same tour. This world is an amazing place. All right, onward. And we're going down the steepest hill that we've walked on. Well, steepest here, not the mantle. And it looks like the fog is actually rolling in more, so we might have made a good thing to leave.
Yeah.
However, they said that for the next week, it's supposed to be sunny and bright. Yay!
Yay, that does look good.
I know, right? Maybe we should leave later, come here, do the tour in the morning, and then leave.
We could do that.
Or we leave it for next time. How's that?
Well, we could do it tomorrow.
Or we leave it for next time.
Or leave it there.
And, oh, there are some people. Because I am, we're the only ones out here in the fog. Aside from the moose that are hiding. Or bears. There's bears and moose out here. Listen to the sound. Nope. I was going to say like nothing. And we are almost back to the car. This is a 3-kilometer walk in and a 3-kilometer walk back. And as you can see, it's still foggy. Alright, so here we go. This is my kind of field. Look at this. Many purple flowers. I love purple. There's actually some people that have caught up with us. Okay, so some people walking out there. The fog really hasn't lifted. And yay, way out there, we see the end of the trail. Yippee, look, we've almost made it. Yay, go. Apologize. Okay, so here's where we started. We were standing right about here, and Marty said, is that a person on horseback? So we both turned, panned really quickly, and there were 2 moose standing where the lady in the black coat and the white hair is. And it was a moose, a female moose, and a juvenile adolescent moose. And they stood right here next to us and then galloped off into the field. Unfortunately, by the time I got down here with my big lens on, it was in the fog way over there. But still got a picture, regardless of whether it's good or not. But they were literally standing right here, like right where that purple flower is. So you walk through the whole 3 kilometers, and literally it was right here this morning. And we just now walked 3 kilometers and 3 kilometers back and didn't see any moose. So how crazy it was literally at the beginning of the walk. How crazy is that? But we have made it back to the car. Yay! We got here at 8 and we waited for the tour, and then we waited for the next tour, and they were both canceled. So we said, nope, we're done. And now it's starting to rain, so I'm good with that. And look, our car is right there. And look, the bathroom! Yay! The bathroom! Just kidding. All right, dear.
Right.
Goodbye.